What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading novels, going for long hikes, and watching documentaries in my free time.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
My weekends are often spent meeting friends for coffee, working on DIY projects, and enjoying outdoor activities.
What is your favorite type of music and why?
I prefer rock music because it energizes me and has a powerful sound.
Do you prefer to spend time alone or with others?
I prefer to spend time with others because social interactions are stimulating and enjoyable, but I also appreciate time alone to focus on personal interests.
What kind of movies do you like to watch?
I enjoy science fiction and documentaries because they expand my perspective and spark curiosity.
How do you usually celebrate special occasions?
Special occasions are often celebrated by having a festive meal, giving gifts, and taking a trip to a favorite place.
What do you usually do after school or work?
I typically work on freelance projects, go for a run, and relax with a good book after school or work.
Do you like to travel? Why or why not?
Traveling appeals to me because it provides new experiences and broadens my horizons.
What are your favorite hobbies?
I enjoy cycling, writing poetry, and exploring local parks as they keep me active and creatively engaged.
How do you stay connected with friends and family?
Maintaining connections involves sharing updates via social media, sending letters or emails, and making time for phone calls.